Take a clear glass of water. Before we begin, take a slow breath in. Let it fall out gently. Notice how your body feels right now, light, heavy, or somewhere in between. How fast is your breathing? Just sense the rhythm. No counting, no fixing. This is your starting point. Sound. Gently for 1 minute. Just Not loud, steady, honest. Feel the vibration in your chest, in your hands, through the glass. If you are practicing now, pause the video and return. Light. Hold the glass in daylight for 10 seconds. Morning light is kindest. Simply look. Breathe. Attention. 20 seconds of friendly presence. No goal, no fixing, only seeing what is here. Touch. Warm your hands, hold the glass. Take 3 deliberate sips. 1, 2, 3. Or pour a little over your palms and feel the skin wake up. Recheck. Count from 0 to 10, breaths per minute. Even 1 breath less is a win. We are not programming water, we are reducing noise so order can return. Repeat this for 7 days. Notice which factor works strongest for you, sound, light, attention or touch. Your body is both the instrument and the measurement.